We are in Goa to drive the all-new Citroen Basalt standing right behind me, the sedan coupe kind of SUV. But before we do that, we have updates for you from the other two models that Citroen sells in the Indian market. The C3 hatchback, this one starts from 6.2 lakh rupees ex-showroom Delhi, and the C3 Aircross SUV starting from 9.9 lakh rupees ex-showroom Delhi. Both the vehicles have got updates for 2024. What are the updates? I'll first go towards the C3 hatchback. For the top end versions, there are basically 5 additions that customers will get. The first addition are these, the LED headlamps. The whole design remains same, but these are now LED headlamps on the top end version of the C3 Aircross. Second, these mirrors were always powered, but look at this. From the outside, you can now fold them, so you have the folding option for the outside mirrors. I'll just open them again. And before we move to the interiors, the key has changed as well. This is the key for the C3 Aircross. It's a new flip type key, no push button start, no smart key, but the key design has changed. And on the inside, as a customer, you will appreciate the new climate control. This was earlier a manual setup. Now it has a proper climate control for the top end versions of the C3 Aircross. And look at this, the temperature can go down to even 14 degrees and then it goes to low. Normally in cars it goes to 18 and then low, but 17, 16, 15, 14 and low. Next change is the speedometer console. This is an all new setup, and likewise to the C3 Aircross SUV, you have a lot of information coming in over here, including the average speed, the fuel economy and so on. The current controls for the speedometer are on the left side of the steering wheel. No technical changes. The same engine is on offer, the same interior quality and the fit and finish and the ride quality and the dashboard design. So no change on that front, only addition features which might bump up the price of the higher versions. Again, the base will cost you 6.2 lakh rupees ex-showroom Delhi. What about its SUV sibling? Let's go to the C3 Aircross SUV. Now this is a very interesting product for the Indian market. It is a 4-meter plus SUV. You have configurations of 5 seats or 7 seats. You have a turbocharged engine, you have automatic, you have manual, and the pricing is tempting. 9.9 lakh rupees is the official price, but dealers are offering a very good discount. So it is much lower in terms of pricing from the Creta or the Seltos, but it has the right quality, it has the looks, it has the size. Changes, the same 5 additions from the C3 hatchback come to the C3 Aircross SUV. The first I told you are the headlamps, they are LEDs now. Second is that the outside mirrors are foldable. Third is the flip type key, the new key on the inside. Fourth is the new speedometer console, same for the SUV and the hatchback. Fifth is the climate control system, same for the SUV and the hatchback. But 2 more additions for the top end versions. What are they? Let's go inside. So no change in the technicalities of the C3 Aircross SUV, no change in the colors or the layout, everything is same, and the seats are comfortable, by the way. 2 changes. First, for the driver basically is the sliding type armrest, and there is some kind of storage space to keep a couple of phones right over here. So here, armrest, storage space, and it's sliding. And second change, well, for that I have to go to the second row of the SUV. Now at the back, for your family and friends, you have the roof mounted AC vents, and additionally you have these coming in. Now Citroen has not told us anything officially, but I think this will be standard for both the 5-row configuration and the 7-row configuration of the C3 Aircross SUV. But I can't wait to drive that one standing behind me in Goan rains, and the review for that one goes live on 91 Wheels very, very soon.